Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a walk-in or offline lead. So here we are in our opportunities tab. So you can see here we've got this column called walk-ins plus offline. So this is for anybody who doesn't come in through, let's say, a Facebook lead ad or a messenger ad or anything that's sort of to do with the digital side of things. So this is somebody who might have walked in through the front door, or maybe a referral, that sort of thing, or a friend of a friend, that sort of stuff. So you can put them into this walk-ins plus offline funnel here. So the way to do that is just go press on plus new. So put in the contact name. So you can add any tags here if that makes sense for you, so you can even call this a walk-in. With opportunity name, just repeat the name again. So this is where we choose our stage. So pipeline 1, which is the only pipeline we've got, and then choose walk-in and offline. Status is always open. We can put a lead value here, so it's your average lifetime value. You can leave this as unassigned and leave that the same as well. You could also add in, if you wanted to, you could say friend of Jim, that sort of thing. And then press add. So you can now see Paul Test 77 in this walk-in plus offline channel. So the great thing about this is, let's say if Paul then wanted to, let's say, book an appointment. Let's say if you made a phone call the next day, you can go into here and book his appointment. So go in here, select the calendar, and away you go. So you can book the time and date and so on, press update, and that will obviously add them into the appointment set calendar from here. So there you go. That's how you do your walk-in and offline lead.